Clear. What's up, guys? We're here today and the F4i is getting a new chain and sprocket. I went a little different from factory. I went down one tooth in the front and up two in the rear. I stuck with the 525 chain too because I didn't want to get the 520, and a lot of people talk about it doesn't last as long. Alright, before we get into starting, I'm actually going to show you this new stand I got. I got it from Harbor Freight. 35 bucks, and it's not the spool one because the F4is don't have a factory spool spot. I have no problem. I trust this 100% on my bike. We're gonna loosen up the back wheel, and if you come over here and look, I should have replaced my chain a while ago. You see that? It's at the end of the replace chain cycle. Alright, and now I just adjusted the wheel all the way forward into the new section just to see how much chain stretch there was, and there was a ton. And taking the rear sprocket off is wicked easy. It's just 6 bolts and then 6 washers. Nothing crazy, just take a little longer of an extension, something like that, or like that, just to crank it, and then get them loose. But I'm in the cleaning process right now down there, so I'm just kind of spraying it, getting the gunk out repeatedly. Cleaned up there, and then everything should be good. I'm just going to wait till the chain and sprocket gets here, and then I'll put her in. Alright, the chain and sprocket came in. Like I said, 1548 up there, and the DID chain, the 525. Alright, so the new front sprocket's on. We torqued down at 40 foot-pounds, feet, whatever. And now we're doing the rear wheel. Alright, now we're getting the rear wheel on. We're going to tighten everything down and then get the chain on. And then adjust the chain and everything once the link's in. Alright, so we got to break one link off the chain because it was too long. So we're going to do this real quick and then hook it up. There it is. There she blows.
What am I doing this for?
That's cool, right? Alright, so the new chain is on, fully adjusted. Now we're in the new area, not on the replace chain. So we're chilling now. Everything's torqued down to spec. Alright, let's take this thing out and see how it feels. Sorry, neighbors. I guess this will be the first noticeable difference right here. Clear. Alright, so right off the bat I can notice the speedo is way off. I need to get a speedo healer to fix that, but honestly I'm not going to be too concerned about it. It's like 20% off. For anyone who's ridden an F4i before, it's a lot smoother throughout the power band. So before, I'd have it was like a dog from like 1 to 8,000, but now it has a good amount of torque throughout the whole power band instead of having to get up to 8,000-9,000 RPMs to be in the power band. Totally worth it though. I'm losing what, 30 miles per hour off the top end. Honestly, it was a huge gain for a little sacrifice, but if you have any questions about it, shoot me a comment down below and I'll answer it, and then comment, rate, subscribe for more like usual. Peace, guys.